Okay, good evening to all of you. Tonight, welcome here to the card news. Okay, so in this breaking news, you are going to know the more relevant things that we have in our university. Okay, so in the first stage, we have the Lacos book, cause this is a cause that for real is something wrong that we have in our university. What happened with this? Happens that if we are studying in, or with some students that they are studying in a virtual way. The most important thing or the most important stuff that we have is the reading. Okay, if we want to have a better or the best reading comprehensions, so the most important thing is the reading, because we need books so that we can do it. So happened that some students they were protesting with the lack of books because they don't have the freedom to choose their favorite subject or their favorite kind of book that they like reading. Because there was a history when one student told to me that what happened with the library that we have in our university. I've heard that the library of our university of CECAR is one of the best that we have in the country here in Colombia, and they and I and I was thinking that yes, you're telling the truth. Cause if we want to be in the top of the country, getting the best library with all those kind of books that our students are demanding. Cause what we have to do is buy more books or bringing more books to our library, because this helps to our mind, or this helps the knowledge to our student that we have here in this university. Okay, so this was the first problem that maybe we have in the university. Okay, so and the most important thing that we have is when we see some students that they are new and they try to get their own platform. Because when I was beginning in the university, there were I'm in Buenaventura, and there were okay, I include myself. There were a lot of my members of the university, of co-workers, that they were telling me, but the late of that time to get our own platform. What happened? Cause we were going to receive classes, and the teacher was giving, and he was dropping his or her activities up on the platform, but they forgot that there were some of them that they didn't have their platform yet. And so maybe this is something that they were protesting, and I was one of them. Because if they want to drop activities on platform out, so the most suggested thing is that we have to get our platform too. Because now we can see that there are some of them that maybe they say so. In many occasions they want, or they are cashing our money in a faster way. So if they are cashing us in a faster way, they have to work in a faster way too. Because this doesn't have a relevant, or this is now the same thing, that they are asking something and they are not working, or they are not acting with the same thing that they are asking. Okay, so with all those, or they both things that are relevant in our university, or maybe these are the problem that many of my co-students or my classmates they have been asking to me. I choose the second one, that is the lack of compromise, or the promise that the 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 people that are working with the university, that they have with us, or with the responsibility that they have with us, or with the students, we that you late, or they late to give us our platform. Okay, just eat this and that's it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. See you. Don't forget, my name is Brandon.